गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तं जेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं जेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
ছোট থেকেই আমি চাইতাম শিক্ষিকা হতে। আমি মনে করি শিক্ষকতার পেশা হলো সর্বশ্রেষ্ঠ পেশা।
Profession. It is indeed a noble profession which gives birth to many other professions. We teachers prepare the children of today who...
Teaching being a passion of mine, I experience every day how a teacher can shape young minds for a life full of challenges. In my belief, every student has their own abilities, own potential and own interest. So a teacher should channelize their potential in the right path. As a teacher, I think the main job of my profession should be rewarding students' creativity, original thinking and innovation.
Teaching is my profession. Teaching is not only the job, it is more than job. It is an outcome of the teaching learning process.
Today I really feel lucky to be a part of this noble profession. As we all know, teachers are the man-made craftsmen.
জীবনের প্রথম থেকে ইচ্ছে ছিল শিক্ষক হবার। আজ আমি অত্যন্ত আনন্দিত এবং গর্বিত যে আমি টেকনো ইন্ডিয়া গ্রুপ পাবলিক স্কুল নবদ্বীপের শিক্ষক হয়েছি।
Teachers help students to develop confidence in their life. They also help students to improve their natural talents.
Teaching, as we all know, it is a noble profession. It is the profession which creates other profession. But what I feel is that teaching is a profession of giving. Giving knowledge, giving passion, giving compassion, giving enlightenment, giving values to the children so that one day they all come up to be as a good human being of our country.
When it comes to make a difference, teachers are on the top of the list. Yes, teaching is a noble profession and I am part of this profession. It makes me very proud and happy also. It's a great responsibility and I am feeling very great to take this responsibility.
It is really a great feeling to be a teacher, as a teacher's contribution in shaping the future of a student is the utmost. As a teacher, my role is not only imparting knowledge to the students, but also molding their character, making them disciplined, well-mannered, so that they can stand in the topmost part of our society and contribute for the development of our country.
Really my pleasure, privilege and honor for me to be a part of TIGPS Navadvip. I really love my school from the core of my heart because my lovely students are here.
I am very happy that I became a teacher and I am teaching the students, the little ones. Really, it's very beautiful experience, wonderful experience to be a teacher, and I want to be a good teacher also. I love my profession and I am dedicated to my profession also very much. Thank you.
Yes, I am a teacher and I respect my work. I love my children very much. My students are my inspiration. Their feedback give me more energy to do better for them.
I think teacher is a friend, philosopher and guide. We all show the path to the students and students follow that path and try to act or think as our, or take the teachers as their role model and develop themselves in ways.
Obviously, learning should begin in the classroom. Obviously, I will believe learning should begin in the classroom, but it certainly does not end there. Whole life it should be continuing. Teachers, we are the teachers. We will set up the sign of the road ahead for the students, because we will guide them. We will show them the path.
My own love for learning make me passionate and drew me into this profession. To me, being a teacher means constantly learning and evolving. I do believe that teacher has the power to shape up lives.
इसके अलावा भी ये पेशा मुझे इसलिए पसंद है कि जितनी सहज दिखती है उतनी सहज होती नहीं है। ये पेशा भी बहुत ही चुनौतीपूर्ण होती है। अपने बुद्धि का सूक्ष्मता के साथ प्रयोग करना, धैर्य के साथ हर परिस्थिति का सामना करना, प्यार से सबके साथ व्यवहार करना इस पेशे का आधार है, जो बहुत सहज नहीं है। हम असंतुलित मानसिकता लेकर इस पेशे से इंसाफ नहीं कर सकते।
আমরা যেন এক প্রকার কাণ্ডারি, মানে মাঝি, নৌকা পারাপারের যে মাঝি, সেই মাঝি ভাইয়ের কাজ করি। বছর বছর ধরে ছাত্রছাত্রীরা এক একটার পর এক একটা ক্লাসে এসে উপনীত হয়। একটা বছর ধরে আমরা তাদের আমাদের শিক্ষার নৌকায় বসিয়ে রাখি। একটা বছর ধরে তাদেরকে এপার থেকে অন্য পারে পৌঁছে দিই, এক ক্লাস থেকে আরেক ক্লাসে পৌঁছে দিই। সেই যাত্রা পথে যেমনভাবে মাঝি আমাদের, কাণ্ডারি আমাদের এক পার থেকে আরেক পারে নৌকাটা নিয়ে চলে যায়, খেয়া নৌকা, ঠিক সেভাবেই আমরা যেন শিক্ষার মাধ্যমে, শিক্ষার হাত ধরে ছাত্রছাত্রীদের এক ক্লাস থেকে আরেক ক্লাসে পৌঁছে দিই।
My love for children dragged me to this profession, and I feel very comfortable with them. I believe a teacher's influence can never be erased. So I am a teacher and I feel proud to be it.
I have been a teacher for almost 6 years now, though it did not start out in a very planned way. But soon I realized that spending time with the children and interacting with them was such a great source of pleasure for me that I couldn't think of anything else to choose as a profession.
I feel teaching is the noble and honest profession. Teachers are respected by all. We, who are the teachers, are the makers of society.
I have completed 5 years in the profession of teaching. As a teacher, I rediscover my education in the thoughts of my children. Being a teacher, we need to explore a lot to produce the best part of education for our children. I always try to motivate my children through basic education and moral values.
I am blessed being a teacher. To me, being a teacher means being a leader who has the capability to lead a group of young birds.
For me, being a teacher means is a matter of proud, but at the same time it's a great responsibility also. The responsibility of making my children to understand the difference between right and wrong, or the responsibility to make an uninteresting thing very much interesting, so that they can learn that. So being a teacher, I really love to learn. And for being a teacher means constant learning process in life. Sometimes learning from the students, learning from the situation, learning from the life, from the surroundings.
According to me, teaching is a profession where it's about inspiring and motivating students to realize and exceed their potentialities. I think teachers are most powerful mentor in our society who have devoted all things and all times their energy to make and inspire the students, their learners, to achieve great things and to be a good human beings. So I feel very proud. I'm feeling very proud for that because I am a teacher. Thank you.
I joined the school last year in 2019, and since then I am growing as a teacher. Every day I try to nourish the potentials of my students and open the windows of their mind. And this is how every day I am cultivating the teacher who exists within me. So thank you so much, my dear children, my students, my colleagues, and obviously our respected Vice Principal ma'am. Thank you so much, all of you.